Good morning. All right, so we are going to go through and use this online resource today. The link is up here, but I'll also send you the link. You will use this to help you do page 494 in your math textbook. Okay, so let's go through these shapes really quick. We have a hexagon, we have a square, we have a triangle, we have a trapezoid, a rhombus, and then a smaller rhombus. Okay, so those are our shapes that we will probably be using today. The first question asks us to use two of these, okay, to make this shape. So I'm going to move this one over here, and I can see that this red trapezoid will fit right on top of the yellow hexagon. Okay, and then I need probably one more because this trapezoid only takes up half of the whole hexagon. So if I just moved this over here, I'd be like, oh yay, they fit, but they don't because we have these yellow spaces over here. That means that we're still not completely covered. Okay, so I'm going to take this little red one and I'm going to flip him around. Okay, the application isn't perfect, but we are just going to use it how it is. All right, so now as you can see, I have two trapezoids that fit on top of our yellow hexagon. Okay, so that's the model and draw. That's the first one we're going to do today. The next one asks us to use these blue rhombuses. Okay, and it asks how many blue rhombuses will make a hexagon. Okay, so here's my hexagon. I'm going to take this blue one over here. Okay, I see that he fits here. This one fits here. But wait, I have this yellow part and this yellow part of the hexagon that's still just out there. Okay, it does not allow me to use a different shape like the triangle. It's still asking us how many blue rhombuses will fit on this pattern block. Okay, so I'm going to move this. That basically means we have to turn our rhombus. Okay, and then I think I'm going to need one more. Oops. All right, so does this shape match up with this shape? These three rhombuses, can they make up one hexagon? I think that they can, but let's check and make sure. I'm gonna move them so they're covering all the spaces of the yellow hexagon. There will be little tiny gaps, but nothing big that could be a whole nother shape that would fit in there, right? Okay, so I have three rhombuses that fit on top of my trapezoid. Okay, I have one more question that I'm going to show you today, and then it's going to be your turn. It's asking for you to cover the trapezoid with these green triangles. Okay, so I see one green triangle fits, but it's not completely covered, so I need more. I see another triangle that fits here, but it's still not completely covered. I need probably one more triangle that fits right here, right? If I go and just put this triangle here, it's not covering it, so I think I need to turn it. Oops. Okay. Ta-da! Like I said, little teeny gaps of red is okay, but you can see that these three green triangles are going to fit on top of that one trapezoid. Okay, so that is your work that you're going to do today. It looks like you have 4 or 5 more questions to do in your textbook. Once you get all done with the work in the textbook, then you can go up to here. This button is called Patterns. And you can choose any of these patterns: a cat, a duck, a snowman, a skateboard, a car, train, dinosaur, whatever you want. And then you're going to use these pattern blocks to make a dinosaur. Okay, this is something that we would have done in class. Like if you had gotten done with your work early, then you would have gotten the chance to use these to make a different shape. So I hope that you have a good time working today, and I think you're going to do a great job. Good luck.